Okay guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm trying to do something a little bit different from the regular. This is an image I shot somewhere in October 2018, and this was for my Glam Slam 2. So every October I work on a fashion project, a pink theme fashion project, just to create awareness on breast cancer. And I want to teach you guys my process for set extension and cloud replacement. So this was the original image. As you can see, the background is quite chaotic. Well, for me it was quite chaotic, and I want all attention to be drawn to the model. This is the image we're using today. I've already done quick retouch on it, and then we'll teach you how I get this image to look this way. And by the way, to have all the layers selected or deselected, you can put your hand on the Alt key and then hit the I button. It selects everything else or deselect to that particular one, so you don't have to uncheck each eye one by one. This is the cloud image I got. I downloaded this off Google, so you can just go to Google and then search for clouds, and there's an option. For example, let me show you guys. So Google, you could just type clouds. Come on. I'm sorry, I don't know what's typing. Look at that. Go to images first, and then tools, and then size to large. So it gives you the largest files instead of you having to search for the small ones. So yeah, this is the image we are going with, and all I did was I created a mask that cropped out the image of the lady, just like that. So first of all, we're going to create the mask. I'm going to talk about how I use these adjustment layers to make my work easier, and also how to work non-destructive. So non-destructive is basically you working in such a way that you can always return to that file. And I prefer to work non-destructive because it saves me a lot of back and forth on time. So I'm just going to speed up this process, the cropping process, so that it doesn't eat into my time.
Well, here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, tell me what's on your mind. If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby.
Okay, so we're going to make a selection. I want to feather out maybe by 1 pixel or 2 pixels. I prefer 1 pixel for myself. And then I go to my channels. I'll make a new channel. Alt backspace. So I keep that file on that channel. So I have my selection on that channel. So then I could come back to my layers. Keep all my channels on, by the way. And then come and deselect you can name this channel maybe selection. This is just a way to keep your, sorry, spelled selection wrong. I don't know what's wrong with me, whether I haven't eaten today or not. So this just keeps all your selection here. So whenever you come here with command and then select that, or control and select that, it gives you that selection. So what we're going to do next is minus this selection out of our selection, out of the major selection, and then we have a max. This is a very effective way because if you have a couple of images that are the same, they look the same in terms of pose wise, maybe just some little alteration in color, and you want to grade them, maybe just to give a client options to choose from, you could move this selection, this particular selection, to the next one and just use that to do the necessary changes there as well. So yeah, we'll select this one, 1 pixel as well. I come here. I swap my colors to black because I'm deselecting it. So when you look here, sorry, when we go back to this channel, you can see what's happening. It's a little bit faded out, yes. So that's what we are going for. The rest of them is pretty straightforward. I could just use my magic wand
Don't you sugarcoat. I'll say it all if you want. And could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears.
I could just use my magic wand
My ear.
to select those places.
I just wanna know. Don't you sugarcoat. I'll say it all if you want.
So just like that.
And could you tell me like it is?
The magic wand works in a very interesting way. It only works if the contrast between what you're selecting and what you're not selecting is quite visible. If it's not visible, you wouldn't have it. Same thing, Alt backspace.
It's honorable, especially when the past ain't been that friendly to you, but there's magic in that. You the flag
Swap to black, Alt backspace, and then we delete it out.
in the wintertime, hey, don't you die yet.
And there we go, we have our marks.
We more like fam. I raised you, you raised me. Let's turn this whole life round. You
And
can
check.
confide in me.
And then we can bring the,
Your shoulder blades and try to store the pain inside.
so you can see the similar marks here.
Do you like that?
And then we can bring the cloud
I view you like that. I'm sneaking
layer. So I'm just going to drag it from here
you like that.
to there.
Child, come and share
Drop it on it.
cloud for your vibe and your
Sorry,
smile.
let me see
I don't
what
mind
it said
the rain.
again.
I'm your dog, ears perk up at the sound of your name. Count on your main. Wild fire, can handle your flame. Down on
Okay,
your
so
shade. Wild high,
I drop it on it, and if you would realize,
that a nigga found in the matrix. Before I had you, this shit was fantasy. You plant a seed to grow some roots, a branch and leaves becomes a tree of life until our nights are filled with peace from stress and strife. And that's
sorry
the
about that.
blessing
If you'd realize,
from wife and you, 'cause
the
you and
cloud
trusted me with the key to
has
your
a
heart,
couple of
beating you smart.
color
It's
corrections
even
on
though
them.
when you start,
So
you
this is
know
just for it to
transition,
match
you believed in me. I guess
with the
light I
scene.
see in you is what you see
So I'm going to
in me.
delete this.
Said she from the west side,
I'll fill with white.
and she see my best side.
Turn down the opacity so I could align it better. So I want the end to be somewhere around here. I want to scale it out a bit
Could you tell me like it is?
so that when I place it,
Pretty
I
little
have a
fears.
good mark.
Music to my
Scale
ear.
it a little bit more. Okay, good. With that selected, I come to my channel, select that. I go back to my layers, Alt backspace.
I'm thinking about a Yamaha. I'm thinking about a Yamaha. You get away from all the camera. I'm over it, don't want to spend a Haters round the corner, right? You hit me right
Alt
between the eyes.
backspace to select that out of
When they
it.
switching picture sides.
And then now you can see we have, bring the opacity back. We have this cut out from that. So what we are going to do is, since we want it to blend out a bit, I want to feather it out. It's a very soft brush. Still on black cleans and white adds. Sorry, black adds and white cleans in this. No, sorry, that other way around. Oh, come on.
You can have it. Since it's automatic.
I don't know what's happened to me. So I need to take this off because these two layers are not allowing me to, so I might just delete them. Backspace into the house. Yeah. Okay, so selection button is on. I want to increase the opacity a bit. So what was stopping me from doing that was because the selection was just within that space, so I could only clean within that space. So as I clean, I reduce my brush a bit. Zoom in a little bit more, and then bring it back this time so that it blends with that. That's a very good blend. So I'm still going to select this and then invert it. Shift Control I inverts. So invert it so that you don't end up messing that up. Paint some of it inside. That's it. That's so. This should be one of the quickest tutorials I've ever made. So clean the side. Let's see how maps looks like. And there we go. So yeah, guys, this is one of the quick tutorials I've ever done, and this is just to explain set extension in Photoshop. Thank you, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for very good tutorials. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
She wasn't really good at keeping up.